What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are here and we are trying to fix this worn out heater block. My solution for this at the moment is just to replace this thing here, the one that you actually plug in your uh, outlet. So I did get this from Walmart. It's like $9 for this. So the receipt is only chips and alternative solution. It's only $9. But then if that doesn't work out, I also got the kit here, which is the full heater block kit that I got from Canyon Creek. And this one is a little bit expensive. It costs around $73. So let's start first with the cheap alternative solution, which is just to remove this guy right here. Just remove this and replace it with the new one, and I will show you later on after how it looks like. So right now we're just basically tearing this apart in the middle and also tearing this so I can follow which line will go to, right? I'll see you in a bit. So this is what it looks like after you did try to shave it off. Like, I mean by that, by removing the rubber stuff and just exposing the wire. And when you put this on together, make sure that the middle wire and the left and right are not touching each other. So we're just gonna open this up. So to be able to have access on this, you just need to remove this little screw here. Here you go. The little screw that is placed in the middle. And when you open this up, you're gonna have this three section here. So basically we have a green wire. So green goes into the green. That's the plug that is located in the middle, and the other two goes on each end. So it's pretty straightforward, guys. So this is what the finished product will look like. So as you see here, green goes to green and the right hand goes to the right hand, as well as the left goes to left. So hopefully this works. If not, we're gonna have to jack up the car and install the new heater block kit. So yeah, that should be it. So we'll just have to check if this cheap alternative solution will work out. So there you have it, guys. I tighten it down, I put the screw back into its place, and I might wrap this green wire exposed here actually. There you go. Camera stay focused. There, I might wrap it with electrical tape, but yeah, that's the easy solution that I find. And if you don't have the right pliers to expose this wire, you can use basic cutter. As you can see here, that's your basic cutter, and just try to pry to the rubber part here. I don't show that part because that's pretty easy and it's kind of hard to hold the camera with one hand. So yeah, just pry this rubber here and you will get access to the wire that you're looking for. Yeah, so that's it. I will update you guys if this will work or not. So So one way to tell if your heater block is working is simply by this. Just give me a sec here. I'll show you in a bit. So as you see, that is your heater block there, right? So heater block. Basically, you plug it in. And you'll notice that it starts to spark for a bit. Let me turn off the flashlight here. So you can see there. I will try to plug it in and it will spark. See? So it sparks. That way you know that your heater is working. Is it rolling? Okay. So again, I would like to say thank you very much, Sir John from First Gear, for plugging back our heater block. If you guys don't know, I got this car for a while, and maybe the previous owner is not using the heater block, so it was unplugged. I don't know how long. But again, we have Mr. John from First Gear. He helped us out again, and he plug it back. So yeah. So our heater block works. But yeah, he also checked the heater block, our cheap alternative solution, if it is working or not. He checked that using his voltmeter, I believe that it was. So yeah, again, huge shout out to you, John. Thank you very much for helping. Peace out. So I'm glad that we fixed one thing from our winter beater, but life happens. So after we fix one thing, there's another thing that is need to be fixed. People, I suggest don't bring your fancy car down here in South Health Campus. The reason behind that, I got hit and run, and there's no notes or anything that I can contact or whatever. Yeah, I did call the CPS as well as the security in this facility, but they can't do anything about it because it's out of reach. The camera is not facing on E29. As you guys can see, I park here in Forest, and yeah, that's what happened. I got rear-ended, and it's basically hit and run. I'll show you how it looks like. What in the actual hell just happened? So I think I got hit and run, guys. You can see my taillight is crashed and shit. So if ever you are here in Calgary, I'm parked here in South Health Campus. Please don't park in staff parking. It is so unsafe, and I got hit and run, I guess. So yeah.
When I 'Cause when I